Hello, Raman. Welcomes you all. In this video, many people have actually asked me the question, sir, what is Blackhat SEO? In reality, yes, I indeed admit that I am in fact making a video after a long time because I was busy with some personal matters. So in today's video, we are going to have a full discussion on what Blackhat SEO really is. Let me first demonstrate some examples, okay? Look, let me clarify one thing upfront about where Blackhat SEO is used. Blackhat SEO is used to rank gaming websites, movie websites. Let me give you an example. If I search for Chava movie download, you will see many such websites ranking at the top like Get or something similar. These were ranking at the top before. Here, I am telling you what work we get because I provide this search service and many of the websites are already in ranking for me. So here I want to make it clear to you what we do in Blackhat SEO. In Blackhat SEO, we also affiliate with movies, because of the traffic. I think many people know about something called AdSense. We sell traffic from here and millions of traffic come. Now, when a person clicks, they reach the website, and when they reach the website, we generate a good amount of revenue in AdSense. So that's why we do this work. We do movie affiliation. Many websites ask us to send as much traffic as possible to their website in any way, and they will pay us a certain amount for it. We do this work through Blackhat. Besides this, there are ClickBank products. I cannot show you the link right now because it's part of my paid batch program. We promote its link and earn our commission there. Apart from this, we promote TF numbers in PPC and try to generate a good amount of revenue there. So look, the real profit in Blackhat SEO, the real profit we extract is basically by trying to promote such programs from which we can generate a good amount of revenue. Okay. Now look, in Blackhat SEO, what are we personally doing in reality? Look, as I have already told you, we divide Blackhat SEO into two types. One is our basic Blackhat SEO, and the other is our basic Blackhat SEO, where we do certain things. These are the movies that you've seen, or the different websites we promote. We do all these things, like these things you are seeing, we promote on different websites. Apart from this, there are some products from ClickBank, Odask, or OfferVault. If you have ever opened it, there are many offers on OfferVault that we promote through Blackhat SEO. What we do through Blackhat SEO in this, for example, we promote products related to dating. We have, different types of products. We promote those, especially gaming products, particularly those related to betting, whether it's betting or your casino. We try to rank all these websites on the top page within 1 or 2 weeks. So we do all those things. Apart from this, there is something we call a CPS offer. That CPS offer means the cost per sale offers that we basically promote here, and we generate sales for them. In the USA, we basically promote our articles, posts, or websites there. We promote them in the USA and the UK because we get a decent commission from sales there. Additionally, many guys have asked whether SOI offers can be promoted through Black SEO. Yes, you can promote SOI offers. Can you promote DOI offers through Black SEO? So yes, you can promote DOI offers. Can we promote Nutra through Black SEO? Yes, you can also promote Nutra. Nutra basically falls under CPS. What exactly is Nutra? It falls under CPS estate. Can we promote betting offers, casinos, etc. through Blackhat SEO? Yes, you can promote these through it as well. All right, but here I want to make one thing very clear. Blackhat SEO is divided into two, sections. What is Blackhat SEO? It is divided into two, sections. The first section is what we call Basic Blackhat SEO. What is our first section? It is Basic Blackhat SEO. Our first section is, and the second section is what we call Advanced Blackhat SEO. In the Basic Blackhat SEO section, we basically try to promote products that are, completely white hat, which are completely white hat products. All your white hat products, we promote them. What products come under the white hat? Different types of products either come under white hat, like ClickBank products, JVZoo products, OfferVault products, etc. If you want to send us traffic to your website, millions of traffic, then that is done. Then we promote all these products through white hat SEO. But what you see differently, like I show you, it's like Teen Patty. When you open it, you will find many such websites like you see in Apple MPL, meaning different, such websites that you can't even imagine in those websites. Our keyword is promoted. The brand keyword is promoted. This is done through our Advanced Blackhat SEO. How is it done? It is done through our Advanced Blackhat SEO. Take it. So now look, in Basic Blackhat SEO, we have a setup of around 1 week. After a 1 week setup, we bring in the ranking there. But what happens is that the ranking doesn't last long. You have to keep working continuously. If you keep working continuously, then it's fine. But if you don't, your website will drop. But in Advanced Blackhat SEO, your website can last for months. It can last for 3 months, 8 or 6 months, depending on the keyword. But here, once we set it up, we put things back. Now, as I explained to you, you must have seen many such types of websites. Like you have seen free websites. So here you must have seen that sometimes this keyword is running. Here you will see that sometimes a domain is running here. Okay, sometimes you will see another domain running. This domain is running. So what happens here is that the setup has been done once they have set it up, because they already have the data, their PBN is already made. Now, understand here what a PBN is. A PBN is a private blog network. Whatever things we are ranking today, we are doing it with the help of PBN. If you contact me on WhatsApp, I can show you such things. Obviously, I can't show it on YouTube right now, but if you contact me, I can show you the things here that you can't even imagine. Where we have created a PBN for gaming, okay, we have created a PBN for healthcare related products. You can imagine. We have created a PBN for casino related products. That's why, because we have created this PBN and we have set up something that allows us to rank any website, but a particular setup is required to rank a particular website, which I cannot explain to you right now, but I want to make this clear to you. So these are the basic things, and this is how we work. And that's why we can easily rank any website. If our domain gets suspended, it doesn't mean that our expenses start from scratch. No, what we have to do is change the domain. And once we change the domain, it starts ranking in the top 10 again. So that's why it's advanced. Blackhat SEO is such a dangerous thing that you have to do it very properly. Once the setup is done, it gives you a lot of profit. But basic black SE is not something that gives you less profit. You can do affiliate marketing and all these things very well with it. And if you are at the very beginner stage and don't know anything yet, or I want to do PPC, but I don't have that much investment. I want to start PPC, or I want to do affiliate marketing, or I want to do C marketing. Then you can start with basic Blackhat SEO. So I hope I have answered all the questions to some extent here. Look, basic Blackhat SEO and advanced Blackhat SEO are two different things. The first thing I have clarified here, so let me explain once more. The main difference between basic Blackhat SEO and advanced Blackhat SEO is that in basic Blackhat SEO, we rank posts, while in advanced Blackhat SEO, we rank both posts and ageless websites. In basic Blackhat SEO, we primarily do affiliate marketing. In advanced Blackhat SEO, we do injections or PBNs. If anyone wants to know about injections, they can call me. Here, you can do PPC, but you will fail if you only do client-based work. Here, you can work with both network and ageless clients. You have to work continuously here. I mentioned that if you rank today, it might get suspended in 2 days and you have to work again to rank it. Here, you have a one-time setup. Once the setup is done, we just need to change the domain and it automatically ranks. There's no need to keep working repeatedly. Here, we don't use scripts. We don't use any scripts here. We create PBNs and do many things here. So this is basically Blackhat SEO. I hope I have solved all your questions. If you have any more questions, you can comment and I will help you for sure. I will definitely provide a solution to any question you have. So I hope you like this video. I have given a number below. Anyone who wants to contact can do so. This is what Blackhat SEO is. Today, I deliberately didn't do it, but next time I am going to give you the method. Obviously, I can't share my paid methods with you, but I will tell you everything I can. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.